this is my first video on MX vs ATV Legends. Got this game like, oh, 5 days, maybe like a week ago actually. And I'm not that good at it, but I just wanted to make a video to like show people that I'm playing this game, and I'm gonna do some freestyle tricks for you guys to show you. I'm a beginner, so I'm not that good yet. As you can tell, I make rookie mistakes because I am a rookie. I like third person a lot. I think